There and see what they have, what's going on. This is the mall cup. It's open until 12 p.m. Yeah, 12 a.m. 12 midnight. Cup. This is a nice place to use e-scooter. I don't have. There's an event now.
But you don't
a lot of kids. No, I just do like this from afar. Yeah, a lot of people. COVID is unknown. Coronavirus is unknown in Lithuania. Here the kids are playing. Here basketball and something going on there. A volleyball game. Like a competition or something.
Just you go inside and show me look how it is to be done.
Basketball is the religion of Lithuania.
I don't see the purpose to why we are here, but there's no other way to perform it.
Oh, I don't. What do you have there? Ping pong? Wow, I don't know this. They have more activities than I thought. So if we bring our stuff, we can play here, right? I would like that. But it's the same tap water, right?
Yeah.
Lithuanians are tough, I tell you. We're away from the people, okay? We have like 5-meter distance, so we're safe. Here is like we have like 20-meter distance. What is that? What's going on? I think it's on TV or something. Wow, I've done contest. Ah, that's what I want to see.
Bodybuilders, you see.
Oh yeah. Wow, look at them muscles.
Let's go a little bit up and we will see.
I want to see.
On the side.
Oh, they're bodybuilders. From here.
On the side.
Here we could stand up here from the back.
Don't have to go.
You stay here.
Just go back.
No, we're gonna go soon. We just made video and we go.
Oh, look at the dog. There's more people here.
We just go from behind.
Kažkas iš tai gerai šitą turim dalyką. Pats palaukit. Dabar mes šitą užfiksavom, bet dabar nesakysim.
Dad, can you do this? They have longer hands.
Sekantį. Gerai. Tada Miss Elegancija. Ir vėl nuo pirmos merginos.
Marta Tumaitė.
Okay, Maria.
Let's go.
I think this is like a theater or something. I'm guessing, though, I'm not sure. Symphony orchestra, some blah,
Something
blah, blah.
like that. Today is Sunday. Because they're just playing on the street. It's taking so much time.
I think we should go that way. Go to
Oh, that's McDonald's?
yeah, to Cathedral.
Okay,
The central.
let's do. This is the Manami. Manami over there. Is my bag closed?
Yes.
Exactly like last year. No difference. We're gonna walk there. No hotel. A lot of scooter, e-scooter. This was the party, white party last year. Over here. This street is called Gediminas. Gediminas.
Gedimino prospectus.
Gedimino Prospectus. Prospectus. This is a Novotel hotel. Like this is perfect, not so hot now. But with the sun, it burns you. And what time is it?
It's 18:22.
It's 6:30 almost p.m. 6:30 p.m. 18:22. This is the main road in Old Town, Vilnius. This is part of Old Town, right?
I think on weekends it's closed.
And we stayed over here, remember before?
No, but there are people out.
Little, see here. Shop. New Yorker.
Just on a boat.
No.
This is closed, not operational. Room 12. Okay, FC. We can get one bucket, 350 euro. Bring to the hotel. Look. Let's just bring it.
Guys, wow.
Huh? Something going on. There's an event. Like always.
Then we're here.
Yeah, because they close the road. Or is it always closed? It's always closed. Yeah, it's open. But sometimes they close it if there's something going on. We used to stay here or there, here or there. And this is the Cat Cafe.
No, I saw they're lying down.
They have cats. You can pet the cats.
I know, but I see they're just lying down, they're relaxing.
New. It wasn't here last year. Was it your birthday last year? We were here. We bought cake. Yeah. Here.
Where is the apartment?
There.
Yes.
This one.
Yes, I remember. I'd rather be in Radisson than there.
It's so cheap. It's cheap.
How much?
As it's super duper
No,
cheap.
but the thing is,
They're already closed. They're not.
Remember the rooms? It's not so nice.
no. Where are they? Where are they? I didn't see them. Where are these?
This is Vilnius Cathedral and the bell tower. The famous cathedral.
Is this a cathedral?
Yes.
It looks more like a Roman or Greek temple or something, actually. Other than the cross. Because the Romans and Greek, they made like statues of.
Do you know this? Stebuklas. I'll show you. You make a wish.
Okay. How many times you did?
3.
You did? Just your turn. Make a wish and turn. And turn 3 times.
3 times.
Around.
Close your eyes. You have to close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Straight back.
One more time. I think you missed one. Not all the way.
It's not gonna happen. No, I think he did.
Yeah, maybe he did, yeah.
What did you wish?
Me? Now on business.
Me to be rich. Very rich.
I
You?
thought to have a lot of money.
Ah, it's gonna come true.
Okay, I start business and you're gonna be rich?
And he will have a lot of money. Don't hold.
So it's kinda
I'm in the happy
connected,
mood. I'm done. I'm in the happy mood.
We're so materialistic.
and good vibes, you know, good sound.
It's like it's gonna.
Yeah,
this sound is
majestic.
like,
What?
this music makes it sound like it's gonna come through like
Majestic
ritual.
sound.
Yeah, magical.
It's like ritual.
Let's do done. cathedral, the bell tower. That's the bell tower.
Bell tower here.
Oh, there used to be.
Yes,
Wall.
they built on some of this.
But where
And
did
this,
the king live?
and
You
this
can
is
read.
the castle. Can you point? That's the castle. That doesn't exist anymore. Just ruins. And there used to be here. What is the
Did the
houses?
king live there?
Houses.
Did the king live there?
I think so. I think so. Because usually, you know, protected here, the thing, church, village.
Ah, this was the king's palace.
King's Palace.
What was up here?
In 28.
This is the museum now, the Grand
Yeah,
Duchy. Grand Duchy. So that's that one. That one is this one. Is that one.
This is
And
also a castle.
this cathedral
But here he was like
is that one.
Buckingham Palace.
And which is the tower? This one or the bell tower? I think this one.
Yeah.
This is the bell tower, and that's that one. This is that. And this doesn't exist. And now we're exactly on this. We're here. We're here now.